you were a part of NDA.
Oof, अच्छा भाई Ayush has done his research.
I want to know more about the bond that you share with your mother because it sounds really special. On that note, Paritosh, I want to do like a little something. ऐसे हाथ करियो. ये क्या है? ये 2 घड़ियों का क्या
अरे
concept है?
भाई dude,
जैसे मेरी लाइफ में अगर रोहतक का रोल था तो तुम्हारी लाइफ में देहरादून का कितना रोल था?
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes.
ठीक है, थोड़ा सा यूनिक पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड है. 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करा है. पहला पार्ट आज आ चुका है, दूसरा पार्ट मंडे को आएगा. नाउ बहुत ज़्यादा डीप घुस गए थे मैं और पारितोष की लाइफ के अंदर, उसके काम के अंदर, कैसे पारितोष काम करता है, कैसे ही वॉज एबल टू ग्रो हिज यूट्यूब, हिज इंस्टाग्राम, हिज कम्युनिटी. इट इज़ अमेजिंग. दिस गाय इज इनसेन, प्योर इंस्पिरेशन. इतना मजा आना इस कॉन्वर्सेशन में. पूरी सुनना, आराम से सुनना, ध्यान से सुनना, एंड लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट. ऑल्सो इस पॉडकास्ट और हर पॉडकास्ट की छोटी छोटी क्लिप्स बना के हम CNTC क्लिप्स करके, CNTC का एक चैनल हो, यहाँ पे लिंक होगा, उस पर अपलोड करते हैं. जरूर देखना. बाइट साइज्ड वे में तुम पॉडकास्ट को कंज्यूम कर सकते हो. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वन. आई विल सी यू गाइज इन पार्ट 2 as well. Hello Paritosh, welcome to the CNTC show. How are you doing?
Namaskar, bhai. Doing wonderful, especially after the 6-minute small talk that we had. Thanks to your, beautiful conversational skills. And I'm really very sorry to the editor who's going to be editing this one particular video because, bro, this one's going to be long. I am so sorry.
Sorry Nile, I am so sorry. But भाई क्या प्यारा setup. 55th floor पे, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, bro. Yes, bhai. But I don't want to complain, bro. But नहीं है भाई इतना कुछ यार. सिर्फ बोलने की बात है भाई. लाइक आई टेल यू आयुष भाई, लाइक मैं हूँ पहाड़ का, ठीक है. लाइक आई हैव बीन बोर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप इन देहरादून. Bro, I am someone who cannot live without watching the sunset or staring at the moon for a while. That's something that I've been growing with for the past 20 years.
Correct.
और यहाँ पे आके बारिश हमसे नीचे हो रही है, ठीक है. बादल हमारे लेवल पे है, बारिश हमसे नीचे हो रही है. पंछियाँ तो भूल ही जाओ, बर्ड्स का नाम ही भाई स्पेलिंग ही भूल गया मैं. यहाँ पे तो कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है. मक्खियाँ फॉर सम रीजन है, पर तभी भी
Yikes.
ठीक है. मक्खियाँ, फ्लाइज, they're still making their way until the 55th.
मच्छर मक्खियाँ नहीं छोड़ते कभी.
मच्छर मक्खियाँ 55th फ्लोर तक पहुंच रहे हैं भाई तभी. ब्रो, पटाखे हमसे नीचे फूट रहे हैं. हम दिवाली में ऊपर देखते हैं ना कि हाँ भैया कितना ऊंचा जा रहा है, वो हमसे नीचे है. दैट इज हाउ हाई द 55th फ्लोर इज. बट bro, it's will good, man. It's will good. The transition from the small city to the big city, dude, that's one thing to talk about, man. Kasam se.
Dude, I so want to talk about this entire transition because right now I am living in my hometown. I had to come from Pilani, my college, to Rohtak. और रोहतक छोटा सा शहर है हरियाणा में, और I've been born and brought up here. And the reason आज ये हो पा रहा है, आज ये पॉडकास्ट हो पा रहा है, आज अगर कंपनी हो पा रही है और कंटेंट क्रिएशन हो पा रहा है, is because of this city. Because this city is, for the lack of a better word, is I hate it. And because of that, never found my tribe. Ended up finding my tribe online. तो ये मुझे जानना है कि जैसे मेरी लाइफ में अगर रोहतक का रोल था तो तुम्हारी लाइफ में देहरादून का कितना रोल था?
भाई बहुत ही ज़्यादा. लाइक आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दैट आई रिलेट विद यू व्हेन यू सेड दिस, बिकॉज I for myself, I've grown up as an introvert, bro. Like I've found it very tough to initiate conversations. I've found it very tough to express myself in conversations. तो मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता था शुरू में कि यार अगर बात करूँ तो कैसे करूँ, बोलूँगा तो ये कुछ जज तो नहीं करेगा, इसके आगे कुछ क्या बोलना है, चलो हाय हेलो हो गया, अब इसके आगे तो ऑकवर्ड हो रहा है, अभी ये साइलेंस में भी इधर क्या करूँ. सो आई नेचुरली यूज्ड टू ड्राइव माई सेल्फ इन अ पोजिशन वेयर आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक यार छोड़, रहने दे. आई एम लाइक रादर देन एंटरिंग इनटू एन अनकंफर्टेबल स्पॉट, रहने दे. एंड दैट comfort which I got in the uncomfort, it made me avoid these conversations altogether in the first place. I never drove myself in the area where I used to have conversations, which was why I grew up as an introvert throughout my school. तो कुछ नहीं रहता था bro, like इधर उधर बात करने का कुछ रहता नहीं था सीन. And that was where the camera happened for me. That was where I started talking to the camera. That was where I was like यार bro, ये तो कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा है वापसी में, ये जज भी नहीं कर रहा है, इसको तो बोलो एकदम, मुँह फट बोलो एकदम. And that was where I actually started venting out, if you were to say that. That was where I started expressing what I really felt within. That was where I started talking about the things that went unsaid and the feelings that went unfelt. That was where it all really started for me. So yes bro, Dehradun has had a huge role to play in all of it, because having grown up in all of those surroundings, especially back home as well, क्योंकि घर पे like I'm although I've been very lucky to have parents like the ones that I've had, but they're still very orthodox, very old school. Okay, नहीं, engineering, doctor, good, stable, secure life, get government job, you're good to go. That is all. So like I've grown up in that atmosphere, bro, and you know, all in all, it just used to be me, my camera, and the laptop, which you know eventually happened for me. So yes, that became my little world. That was where it all really started, and that was what led me into doing what I'm really doing right now.
यार in the start of the call you said that बहुत कम difference है between how you are in real life and how you're on camera. And कहीं ना कहीं मुझे वो फील हो रहा है बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अभी मैं लाइक आई एम वॉचिंग वन ऑफ पारितोषिस व्लॉग जहाँ पे वो मस्त कहानी वानी बता रहे हैं एंड पर ये क्रेजी है ये तो इसमें तो टाइम लगा था या फिर एकदम से इट जस्ट क्लिक्ड
Bhai, I don't generally do this, but please, now see, like now if I'm saying this, you'll definitely go and do it, but don't go and watch my first or my second or my third or my first 10 videos on the channel. Please don't. Just please don't. You'll see this weird 16-year-old having this weird accent. I don't even know where that's coming from because obviously, you know, I didn't used to talk to many people. उस समय सिर्फ मेरा consumption रहता था Netflix और Amazon. तो वहाँ से जो accent मिल गया था तो हम like, yeah, you know, this is how I need to talk to people, and you know, this is how I really need to put my message out. And I'm like, dude, I look back at that guy and I'm like, bhai, please stop, don't, dude. Bhai,
boss.
like. That was where the transition really happened. You know, over the time I used to get my own people coming to me to बोलते कि तू भाई तू ऐसे बात कर रहा है तू कर लेना. Like there's no harm in really talking like this to people. Even if you can talk like this to people, you'll get people's attention, and that is, you know, all a creator
Correct.
really wants. तो मेरा ये transition, bro, and I'll tell you what, Ayush bhai, like this transition happened very recently. Bali, you discovered me, right? ये transition Bali से ही हुआ है. You know, this transition where I felt very comfortable being myself. And I'll give credit to international waters for this, quite honestly. पता है क्योंकि वहाँ पे जाके फिरंगी ज़मीन में जाके तुम देसी हरकतें कर रहे हो, ठीक है, देसी गाने गा रहे हो, देसी गालियाँ गा रहे हो. I became very comfortable with my own self because I knew that no one around me was understanding. So I was like, dude, fuck it. I'll just be as comfortable as I possibly can being myself because no one here is judging anyway. People don't know whatever the fuck I'm talking about. People don't know what I'm going to say on the camera, and people don't even really care about it. And that was where I found the comfort in being myself. कि I was like, यार ठीक है भाई, यहाँ पे तो कोई कर ही नहीं रहा notice, चलो बढ़िया. It's very weird though, like I am talking to you and I'm realizing it on my own self कि भाई, like that was where this revelation happened for me कि okay, international waters, no judgment zone at all. And I am feeling comfortable being myself there. Not in my own land, not in my own homeland, where I know the people around myself.
एक और चीज which you said was the government job. Very interesting. You were a part of NDA.
Oof, अच्छा भाई, Ayush has done his research, man.
And मुझे वो तो है ही. I don't see dream of the defense now on your profile, but it was there. You were really active.
It is. It still is.
Acha, it's not in your bio. So I was like, okay, I want to know what's up. Like, what's up with these two things? ये मुझे ना एक स्टेप पहले जाना है. ये एनडीए हुआ कैसे? मतलब ये स्कूल टाइम से था, बचपन से था, पेरेंट्स थे, तुम थे?
See, I'll tell you about it. This goes back in 2016, right? Like as soon as I passed my high school, you know, यही था. Like that was the phase where I was really trying to figure out what to do in my life and how exactly should I, you know, go about doing things, experimenting this and that. Although, you know, I already had a very clear, a clear short plan in my head that this is what I really want to do in my life. You know, I was very passionate about computer sciences back then, and I was equally passionate about filmmaking and music as well. तो मैंने घर वालों को बोला था यार कि, you know, this is what I really want to do. I wasn't getting any options in the country to pursue a major and a minor back then. So I was like कि I really want to pursue my studies outside of India. I gave the SAT. I got a 96 percentile. And I was like, I'd been a scholar, bro. ठीक है, like ये मेरा हमेशा से वो रहा है कि like if I set my foot into something, I'll give my 100% to it. I'll extract what I need out of it. तो ये मेरा स्कूल से रहा है. तो हमेशा से like मेरे को बोला था कि चल ठीक है बाहर जाना है, तेरे को उसके लिए परसेंटेज अच्छा चाहिएगा, तेरा सिंगापुर में एडमिशन हो गया. आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है, इफ़ आई वांट टू मेक दैट हैपन आई विल डू इट. आई फेल्ड इन केमिस्ट्री फॉर 11, पूरा अपना 11th 12th पूरा फेल हुआ, बट इन माई क्लास 12th आई एंडेड अप स्कोरिंग 95% बिकॉज आई गॉट टू नो ब्रो कि नहीं यार, अगर वो चीज़ चाहिए उसके लिए मुझे ये करना है. The same happened in the SATs as well. People told me that, you know, if you really want to get a good scholarship out there, because, you know, coming from a family that I came from, we couldn't actually afford, you know, education outside. तो उन्होंने बोला कि भैया देख अगर तेरे को चाहिए तो SAT में अच्छा स्कोर ला. आई स्कोर 96 percentile. But then even after, I applied to 12 universities. That was what my budget was allowing me. And although I got into all 12 of them, I got scholarships in all 12 of them as well. Scholarships which went as high as to 75%. But even then, we weren't in a position to be able to afford the latter 25%. Our family wasn't in the position at all. It still not is. तो हमारा ये रहता था यार कि उस समय like 2016, 2017 was that phase where I was, really trying to push for things and figure out how exactly I can make this happen. While, when I was getting to know the reality of the financial conditions back home, I was like, yaar, boss, chalo, theek hai. Nahi, if this cannot happen, I really need to start looking for a plan B or a plan C as well. Because, I really put my heart and soul into the making of this. I really put my heart and soul into my academics, into my SAT scores, into my SAT preparations, into building my own portfolio so that when I write my essays, I come out as someone who can be valuable to the college, to their community. Why would they want to take me in any way whatsoever? Because I want to be valuable to them. So, yahi tha yaar, like I took an entire year to build myself, and then when I was seeing the real picture coming right in front of my face, all of it was coming as a major setback. I invested the majority of the last few moments of my high school into all of this because I knew that this was something that I badly wanted. I used to envision my own life out there, bro. I used to be like, yaar, sahi hai bhai, apna filmmaking ka bhi kaam karenge. I used to follow Logan Paul very religiously back then. And, I got into UCLA, bro, like University of California, Los Angeles. I got into that school. I got into the computer science school itself, and with a minor in filmmaking and music as I wanted. Complete dream package मेरे को मिल गया था वहाँ पे. And I used to follow all these people very religiously. Logan Paul, Rory Kramer, Taylor Cut Films. ये और उस समय सपना था ब्रो कि लाइक 2 साल काम करके मस्त पैसा पूसा कमा के $20 घंटे का मिलता है. मैं अगर एक हफ्ते में मैं 20 घंटा भी काम कर लूँ तो 2 साल में I'll be able to afford an apartment in Vine Library, 67th Street. That used to be my plan back then. Itna specific plan. And dude, I used to sleep manifesting it all, man. And I used to sleep, bro, ki yaar, really need to make this happen, this and that. I used to sleep at 4:30 a.m. in the morning after having done a good 8-hour long study session with this thought ki, bro, ye hoega bhai ek din. And used to legit, wasn't really creating videos back then, but I still used to envision myself doing these vlogs ki bhai bahar jaunga to Delhi to Los Angeles flight. Indian boy traveling from Delhi to Los Angeles. I used to think about all of this stuff. So, ye tha bro, like that was where it all started for me. But as and when I was realizing the financial condition of the country, bol raha hu bhai sahab, financial condition of my family back home, I started placing my foot here and there for a few plan Bs and Cs as well. Meanwhile, in all of that process, I also gave 3 SSBs, bro. Okay, so like for the people who don't know what an SSB really is, SSB is the Service Selection Board, which is a 5-day testing procedure that you go through to get into the defense forces, and it's considered among the 8th toughest interviews to crack in all of the world. And I had gotten in with All India ranks of 688 and 240, 3 बार. So I started getting a little pressure from here and there in my family. सब लोग ऐसे होने लगे कि तेरा यहाँ हो रखा है तो तू बाहर की तरफ देख भी क्यों रहा है. That was what the conversation started becoming about. कि मतलब you've gotten into something that people legit dream of. You've really gotten into one field that the entire country admires. And obviously, I've been very passionate about the armed forces. I'm a very patriotic individual myself. I'm someone who's always, I'm someone who's grown up around officers in my own family. And, I have utter respect for these individuals who are, serving our country in the best possible way. And that was, so those were the thoughts that were being fed to me in that moment, bhai, कि तेरा यहाँ हो रखा है, तेरे को बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत भी क्या है, कि क्यों करना है तेरे को ये वो and all of this jazz. तो भाई वही, eventually this process, it started off in April 2017 where my college deadlines, they were passing. ठीक है, एक करके UCLA गया, फिर University of Washington गई, फिर University of Waterloo गई, University of British Columbia गया, University of Alberta गया, एक करके सारे जाते रहे, सबके deadlines फीस भरने की जाते रही. And by the end of it all, I had no possible option left. I just had one deadline, which was the National Defense Academy, which was due on the 27th of June 2017. And although I'd never say that this was an option, although I'd never say that, the armed forces was an option, that would be a sin that I'd be, a sin that I'd be uh, taking up for my own self. But I will say that I wasn't very sure of that decision myself, because for the past 2 years, I had wrapped my head around a particular dream, which wasn't that. And I invested so much of myself into it, and I sacrificed an equal bit of it myself. So, although I won't say that it was a second or a third option, but it wasn't what I really wanted. But I had nothing else left to do as well. And, seeing the financial condition back home, I was like, yeah, now this is one sacrifice you've got to be willing to take. So I went, bro. I went to the National Defense Academy. 22 days it took for me to realize that I cannot be willing to make this big a sacrifice with a dream that I invested 2 years into. And when people hear this statement out on the social media, this brings me so much hate, man. This brings me so much hate till date कि तूने एक सपने की वजह से नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी छोड़ा, और तेरा सपना क्या था? वीडियोस बनाना, गिटार बजाना. तूने इस सपने की वजह से नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी छोड़ा. This is how it appears to people. But they don't see the side of me which invested a good proportion of the life that students really enjoy into something that I used to sleep with every single night. So for more than 820 days in my entire school life, this was what I was sleeping with. Ki I'll be in Los Angeles, bro. I'll be interning for Rory Kramer. I'll be doing this, man. I'll be filming for all of these people. Someday I'll get to shoot with Justin Bieber. Someday I'll get to hang out with all these people. That was what my dreams used to be. And then to sacrifice it, not even sacrifice, then to just, scrap it all out in a moment and just give it all away. It was too big of a sacrifice for me to make. And I was like, yeah, I wouldn't want to die with the regret of not having tried at all. ठीक है, नहीं मिला बाहर जाने को, but I can still try a hand at it in my own country. There's no harm and foul in that. ठीक है, सपना है ना, चल ठीक है. बाहर जाने का तो सपना नहीं है ना, ये लाइन परस्यू करने का सपना है. वो जरिया मुमकिन नहीं हो पाया, पर वो सपना तो अभी भी है. उसको तो मत जाने दे एटलीस्ट. तो ये था उस समय कॉन्वर्सेशन. सो on the 22nd day, like on the 18th day, from the 18th day in the academy, I started talking to my parents back home, and I used to be like, this is something that I need to do. My mother was a little supportive of the decision. My father was still on the other end of trying to convince me कि नहीं देख ले, कुछ नहीं है, ये शुरू में तेरे को blues हो रहे हैं, hit हो रहे हैं, ये हो रहे हैं. But my mother, she was someone, she used to see me, working towards what I really wanted. So she really understood the gravity of me calling her. Because, man, see, Ayush, mere bhai, I'll tell you something. As I told you as well, like once I set my foot into something, I make sure that I make sure that I give my 100% to it. And that was what was happening in the academy as well, mere bhai. Seriously, like, bro, whatever I was doing, although I haven't really been very good at sports, but I volunteered for almost everything that my squadron was up to. Everything. चाहे वो वॉलीबॉल हो रहा है, वॉलीबॉल में चलो खेलना नहीं आता ना, I'll just stay there and I'll be the loudest in the room cheering for my squadron. And our squadron officer used to notice it. और जब रात को सबकी ड्रिल लगती थी ना, मेरे को छुट्टी मिल जाती थी, क्योंकि ये देखो, इसको देखो, ये खेलना नहीं आता है पर तभी भी चिल्लाता है, अपनी टीम को सपोर्ट करता है, तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो. This is the kind of passion that I've always carried with my personality, with my persona, कि भाई कुछ भी करो सच्चे दिल से करो, बस सीधी बात. So my mother knew it कि यार अगर ये कॉल कर रहा है ना आज, if he's calling for help, then it's really something. Something has happened, something very deep and gross has happened, which has left a huge mark in his mind, which is making him take this call, which happened. Something huge and drastic happened, which made me take that call. So I was like, dekh lo if it's possible, because you know I really want to try. I really want to give myself and my dream one second chance. So that happened, bro. My father came. We did all the procedures. It took us 4 days. On the 22nd of July 2017, 22nd of July 2017 was the day when I, stepped my foot out of the academy. And that date has probably the most relevance in my life than anyone else could ever have. That's the date that's imprinted on my arm. That's the date that, probably defines every bit of what I do till date as well. That's the date on my laptop screen, my screensaver. That is the constant reminder that I really want to have, man, ki that is what you left. So, agar tere ko, if ever you don't feel like working, know that you've left that to be able to work for this. Do not take it for granted. ये होता था moment मेरे भाई. That was where I came back from the academy. But the real struggle was when I returned, मेरे भाई. The real struggle was when I really returned, because that was actually when, as in when people were getting to know, the relative circuit, the friend circuit, they started backing out. For 3 months, I was in total isolation. I wasn't, I didn't attend any family function, wasn't made to attend any family function. In, every gathering I used to go out, I used to be the one person standing in one corner alone, because obviously, this is the disgrace who has left the academy. This is the same person who's a disgrace to the nation. Why should we even go and talk to him? That used to be something that used to be in our own circuit. As and when this went out in the public, जैसे जैसे कॉलेज में लोगों को पता चलता रहा, जैसे जैसे इधर उधर होता रहा, the backlash, it started coming to me on the social media as well. I started getting open threats. I started getting people to follow me sometimes as well. When I used to come back from my college, I used to notice that this bike has been following me and my whereabouts for the past 3 days. Who is it and what is it doing? And वही bike with people in their saffron क्या बोलते हैं, mufflers, and were following me, and you get to know, bro, जब पीछे से ये you get a vibe of it कि हाँ, something's wrong, man. Something's wrong. This is not right. Something doesn't fit right. Bro, that continued for 3 months. And in those 3 months, my YouTube channel was suspended once. This is something that people don't know of. Yes. So the dream, the medium of my dream that I, wanted to really pursue, कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, if I really want to pursue filmmaking and music, I'll do it through YouTube. My YouTube got suspended in the middle. For a week, I was without my YouTube channel. I don't know. I have no idea. No idea whatsoever. For a week, I was without my YouTube channel. And I cannot put into words the amount of agony I had in my heart. Because I am, bro, मैं कभी भी अपने जो भी decisions लिए ना अपनी ज़िंदगी में, मैं कभी भी उनको सवाल नहीं उठाता हूँ. लेने के बाद, वो कदम लेने के बाद कभी भी मैं सवाल नहीं उठाता कि यार ये मैंने क्यों किया. और वो एक ऐसा, मतलब वो 2 पल 4 दिन ऐसे आ गए थे मेरे पास मेरी ज़िंदगी में, जिनमें मैं थोड़े थोड़े सवाल करने लगा था खुद से कि यार सही किया था क्या तूने? तू वापस आ तो गया, अब तू यहाँ से कर लेगा जो जिस चीज़ के लिए तू आया. फिलहाल तो वही नहीं है तेरे पास अभी. जो ज़रिया था तेरा सपना पूरा करने का, वो पहले तेरा ज़रिया था इंडिया से बाहर जाना, वो नहीं हो पाया. अभी तेरा ज़रिया था यूट्यूब, अभी वो भी क्या? अभी क्या? इज़ दिस अ साइन? इज़ दिस अ साइन दैट यू आर नॉट रियली सपोज टू परस्यू दिस ड्रीम? तो ये चला ब्रो. सो इवन इन दैट वीक, ऑन द 4th डे, आई वाज लाइक कोई बात नहीं. आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद इंस्टाग्राम. अब ये करेंगे, अब इसको पकड़ते हैं, आ जाओ भाई. आप बताओ, आप कौन हो? तो दैट वाज व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद इंस्टाग्राम. एंड देन ऑन द 7th day, some a miracle happened somehow, and I got my channel back. Although, bro, in that 1 week, man, not one YouTube office in the entire world that I didn't fax an application to. One fax used to cost 1100 rupees. Spent all my fucking savings into it. Not one office in the entire world that I didn't fax that document to. Not one call in the office that I didn't try. Every possible call, tended to the same result ki, write on this email, we'll get back to you, write on this email, we'll get back to you. Nothing was really happening. And the worst thing about all of this being, bro, that the channel got suspended after I made that video on Diwali. Ab Diwali wala, I don't know if you know what I do on Diwali or not. So like, there's this movement that we've been doing for the past 4 years, make a choice to make a difference. And उसमें ये होता है भाई, like there's this orphanage that we go to, an orphanage and an old age home. वहाँ पे जाके हम अपनी दिवाली मनाते हैं मेरे भाई, ठीक है. तो I had put out a video about that movement, about what it really is, and how our Diwali really was like. And it was a beautiful video, one of the best videos that I'd ever made. और उसी वीडियो के अगले दिन the channel it went away. तो वो बड़ा खतरनाक मोमेंट हो गया था. लाइक डूड, ये तो साला अच्छा काम करने पर भी अगर ये हो रहा है तो भैया तुम तो साला फिर क्रिमिनल ही बनो भाई. तो क्या ही है फिर, तो कुछ है ही बचा ही नहीं है जिंदगी में. तो वो था ब्रो. that is the entire academy spectrum of my life, and it was very hard to recover from those 3 months. उस समय तो लल्ला सा लगता था. खैर भाई, कॉन्फिडेंस के भी एकदम अच्छे से लग रहे थे, पर जज्बा था ब्रो, जज्बा था जो कभी नहीं टूटा. उस समय भी नहीं और अभी भी नहीं.
Okay, 3 things. Bloody motivated, बहुत मतलब not just because of your story, but because of how you narrated the story. And now I know why people keep commenting great storytelling. I'm getting to experience this live. मक्खन नहीं लगा रहा हूँ, genuinely बोल रहा हूँ. Genuinely, I was so engrossed, and मैं ना दिमाग में सोच रहा था यार कितना प्यारा पॉडकास्ट होगा ये. मतलब I was just thinking यार सही है, this is मस्त एकदम, audience is going to love it. Second, you are bloody good with dates. You have told me at least 6 or 7 dates. We'll talk more about this. Third, and the one that I really want to talk about is your mother. And I don't know what happens for other people, but I've seen a very positive sort of relationship being transferred to, like the positivity is transferred to us as well as audience, and I feel that, whether it's the latest video which is you going to meet her, or if it's the earlier videos which were more like fun and थोड़ा मस्ती जो हो रही होती थी कि तुम पिट रहे हो, तुम मस्ती मजाक कर रहे हो, pranks हो रहे हैं. And now you telling me the story that how she believed in you. I want to know more about the bond that you share with your mother, because it sounds really special.
It is, bro. It is, like it has been. The same goes for my father as well. He's someone who is now in a position that really respects me and the work that I do. But my mother, for one, she's someone who's understood me, and that is something that I really respect in a human being, let alone in my own mother. That is something that I really respect in a human being. If someone can understand the pain that you don't put into words, that is where the real magic happens, bhai. Arey yaar, there was something that I wrote, man. There was this something that I wrote. जो हाजिर करना पड़े वो दर्द कैसा, और जो दर्द को ना समझ सके वो हम दर्द कैसा. This is what I really expect. No, not even expect. This is what I see in a human being, bhai. And that is probably why me and my mother, we've shared a very, very deep bond ever since. She's someone who's understood me and my dream ever since. She's someone who's acknowledged the fact that I don't really want to get into the academic line, although I've been very sharp academically throughout. Class 10th में भी 92 आया, 12th में फिर 95 आया, 3 बार SSB भी निकाला. था दिमाग, mathematician वाला दिमाग था, और अभी भी है. You say you noticed it yourself. I'm good with numbers. I've been good with numbers myself, bro. And although she knew it, that I could have done very good academically in my life as well, but she understood the fact that I was very passionate about what I really wanted to pursue. I was very passionate about arts. I was very passionate about storytelling and music and filmmaking. I was extremely passionate about it all. तो मुझे ये करना था भाई. And she was the one who understood it all in the first place. And although career wise उनको अभी भी लगता है कि मेरा जब कॉलेज खत्म होगा मैं गवर्नमेंट जॉब करूंगा, UPSC का एग्जाम दूंगा, उनको ये एक्सपेक्टेशन है डाउन द लाइन. वो मुझे उनकी बातों से पता चल जाता है कि बाबा कॉलेज खत्म होने वाला है ना तेरा. मैंने कहा हाँ अभी है थोड़ा, मतलब इधर उधर. तो हाँ, तो मतलब फिर उसके बाद सोचा है तूने कुछ कि UPSC वगैरह बढ़िया ऑप्शन है वो, बढ़िया. मैंने कहा हाँ वो बहुत बढ़िया है, बिल्कुल एकदम. तो
बहुत बढ़िया
चलता है ब्रो, वो कॉन्वर्सेशंस होते रहते हैं. बट डाउन द लाइन शी अंडरस्टैंड्स, मैन. आई लाइक एवरी alternate day or every 3 day we get on a call, and all she cares about is कि तूने दूध पिया, तूने बादाम खाए, तूने ये करा, तूने वो करा, मुझे तेरे काम से कुछ मतलब नहीं.
चिकन,
हाँ बटर चिकन मिल रहा है तेरे को कि नहीं मिल रहा है. मैंने कहा मम्मा यहाँ पे फ्लोर वेजिटेरियन है. ऐसे क्यों कर रहे तू, उधर क्यों रह रहा है फिर. मैंने कहा अरे भैया यही है, लाइक शी इज our entire bond, it's just a gist of this mere understanding, bro. Seriously, she's understood since the very beginning, and that's all. You know, she's understood. That is why she has enjoyed being a part of the videos, and she really loves it, man. She's the one. She's the one who comes to me and tells me, बाबा देख ये comment आ रखा है, बाबा देख इसमें ये video में इसमें views अच्छा आ रहा है, इसको कर, promote कर, इसको कर, इसको कुछ कर, ये कर. So you know, she's more regular on my channel than I am. So yes, man, she's someone who's understood, bro, and that is what really defines our bond.
I want to go back to something which you discussed, and I want to drop 2 cents on
Please.
the dream montage, story montage. Oh ho. And I feel this is something which I've been wanting to communicate, not just with my audience, but with the world, that most people are living someone else's dream. You were able to live your own dream. And I don't get the hate. People are hating you for living your own dream, but what we don't realize is that I was preparing for IIT for 3 years. I thought it was my dream until the bubble burst in front of my eyes when I realized कि भाई ये तो मेरा सपना था ही नहीं. मुझे ये सपना दिखाया गया था पिछले 15 साल से.
Wow, that's heavy, man.
So for all the people who are hating on Paritosh, do understand that probably you may be living somebody else's dream. And defense is a very reputed career. But that's not everything. Like there's एक अंदर की जो आवाज़ होती है, अगर वो नहीं कर पा रही तो डिफेंस में you wouldn't have been able to do good after a point of time, क्योंकि वो अंदर आवाज़ मना कर देती कि यार नहीं हो पा रहा. You were born to tell stories, man. And I'm so freaking proud कि we are getting this opportunity to listen to your stories. So for people hating, realize that Paritosh was able to pursue his own dream, which is amazing, truly.
शुक्रिया मेरा भाई, दिल से.
On that note, Paritosh, I want to do like a little something. ऐसे हाथ करियो. ये क्या है? ये 2 घड़ियों का क्या
अरे
concept है?
भाई, dude, आयुष भाई, कितना कहाँ से इन्फॉर्मेशन लेके आए हो ब्रो भाई?
ये क्या है? ये मुझे जानना है. ये
स्टोरी टाइम इसका है भाई. दिस इज द वॉच. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वॉच दैट आई एवर गॉट. दिस इज द वॉच दैट आई हैव बीन वेयरिंग since 15th July 2005. ठीक है, this goes back then 2005. It's been more than 16 years. In fact, dude, आज इसकी 16th anniversary हो गई भैया. क्या बात है. Nice, lovely.
अरे बाप
हाँ.
रे.
And bro, this is
Sweet
this
16.
is my reminder that this is where you are. This is where you started. This is where you are.
अबे भाई ये ना मैं अब मेरा सर फट जाएगा. ये तो क्रेजी है. मतलब ये इसको कहते हैं living that story which you tell, and this is insane, you know, right from that wallpaper, slideshow to this. ये तो you have curated मतलब like you've curated your timeline in front of
Yes,
you,
man.
which is insane. On purpose है ना? This
हाँ
is like
भाई.
proper on purpose.
Been. This is something that I've been following since 2016.
Lovely, dude. But this entire these reminders now, they're like mental models.
Bro,
Like how you form
got
mental
to.
models to remind yourselves
got
of.
Seriously, bro. Like
This is so
this is
similar.
something that has worked for me by all this while. I have constantly, even this desk that you see right now, I keep things on my desk which I can come back to at any time of the day. जब भी मेरा दिमाग या फिर मेरा कहीं भी भटक रहा है, इधर उधर जा रहा है, if I'm questioning myself, मेरी आँख उठे तो एक ऐसी चीज़ पे जाके पड़े जो मुझे याद दिला दे कि तू क्यों कर रहा है जो तू कर रहा है. ये देख ले, ये है ये तेरी वजह. तो ये रहता है ब्रो. लाइक एट ऑल टाइम्स आई जस्ट वांट टू सराउंड माई सेल्फ विद इनफ रीजंस through which I can tell myself this is what you're in it for, be it in my hand, be it my tattoo, or be it the things on my desk, everything.
Casey Neistat क्या था कि मुझे सुन के how he has imprinted all of
Yes.
his key moments in life. Crazy. Content पे आते
Yes,
हैं.
sir.
मतलब खतरनाक स्टोरी टेलिंग, फिल्म मेकर, फोटोग्राफर. I think you've played so many roles. I think I just associate you with the storyteller.
That's what I like, bro. Like since the very beginning.
Although I love everything that you do, I think सबसे top पे जो मेरे लिए है ना वो story, क्योंकि मुझे पता है even if I take that mic, that light and that camera, you will be able to give me a very good vlog. and that's what I care about, that you have that thing. Two questions. एक technical है, एक थोड़ा vague है. How did this start? I know that you had a dream, but कब से था ये dream? Second, who is making this happen? Is it just you still or is it a team?
ठीक है. I'll answer number 2 first. Just me. There's no team whatsoever. I'm still the one editing all of my videos, my reels, my blogs, my vlogs, my podcasts, my podcast clips, my my Twitter posts, my LinkedIn, every bit of it. I'm the one who's doing it. Number one, question number 1. The very interesting question. तो भाई this goes back in class 11th. ठीक है. क्लास 11वीं क्लास की स्टोरी है ये, मस्त एकदम. उसमें ये होता था भाई that I used to sit in the auditorium. क्लास 10th 11th में I used to sit in the auditorium and I used to see कि भाई मतलब obviously I am that introvert in that stage अभी कि I'm the only possible means of communication that I am doing is when I'm on the stage, when I'm playing my piano in front of the 5,000 students who are there. That is the kind of applause that I'm getting, but people are still not getting to know my name. ठीक है. Even when I'm playing, I am representing my band, I am representing my school. मेरा नाम तभी भी नहीं है कहीं. एक दिन ऐसे ही बैठ रहा था मैं और मैं स्टेज पे देख रहा हूँ, जो स्टेज का वो होता है जो प्रोजेक्टर है, प्रोजेक्टर में एक मूवी चल रही है, आफ्टर फिल्म चल रही है हमारे कल्चरल वीक में, जिसमें मैंने परफॉर्म करा था, जिसमें मैं फर्स्ट प्राइज जीत के आया हूँ. उसकी आफ्टर फिल्म चल रही है. ठीक है. आफ्टर फिल्म चल रही है. आफ्टर फिल्म में मेरे 2-3 शॉट्स भी आए हैं जहाँ मैं बजा रहा हूँ. ठीक है. बढ़िया बढ़िया, मुझे भी अच्छा लग रहा है कि हाँ भैया चलो ठीक है, वैलिडेशन मिल गया. लोगों ने ताली बजाई, भाई बढ़िया, चलो ठीक है भैया, हाँ भैया पारितोष था, बजाया, इसने अच्छा बजाया था कल्चर वीक में, इसको ताली बजाते हैं. ठीक है, बजाया लोगों ने. पर उसके बाद जब वीडियो ख़त्म हुई, आफ्टर क्रेडिट्स शुरू हुए और लोगों के नाम आने शुरू हुए स्क्रीन में. ब्रो इतनी तालियां सारे कैरेक्टर्स को मिला के नहीं मिली होगी उस पूरे आफ्टर फिल्म में जितने उन 2 नामों को मिली. The amount of passion that people had with which they were applauding those 2 names. Like भाई ये क्या है? इन लोगों ने ऐसा क्या उखाड़ लिया अपनी जिंदगी में कि इनके नाम की वजह से इनके काम को दाम मिल गया. एक their name became their identity. Correct. Their name became their work. Their name became what was representing them. It's like भाई ये करना है, वीडियो बनाएगा मैं चले गया भाई. ये ख़त्म हुआ ऑडिटोरियम, मैं लाइब्रेरी में जाके खड़ा हो गया बाहर. उधर से मोटू सा बच्चा एकदम अपना टिफ़िन लेके. मैं कहा भाई यार तो ये भैया लोगों से पूछूंगा, ये भैया लोग लाइब्रेरी के पीछे बैठे रहते हैं. मैं गया भैया के पास, भैया ये आप कैसे करते हो, ये वीडियो कैसे बनाते हो? वो हंस रहे हैं, उसे ये बोल रहे हैं. एक कोई था चंद जिसने बोल दिया कि हम प्रीमियर प्रो में एडिट करते हैं, जा. मैं कहा ठीक है. मैं आया घर वापस. मैंने कहा राघव डाउनलोड करो. करेगा भैया पैसे लिए, क्रैक लाओ. तो वहाँ से ब्रो उधर से फिर दिस स्टार्टेड. ठीक है. और हमारा 2 दिन बाद हमें जाना था एक फैमिली ट्रिप पे. मैंने लिया पापा से, पापा का iPhone 5S, उस समय पापा के पास 5S था. मैंने कहा पापा चलो एक्सचेंज. पापा लाए हमें. ओ भाई हम भाई अलग अलग एकदम चंद चीज़ों. उस समय थोड़ा बहुत सैम कोल्डर देख रहा हूँ, रोरी क्रैमर देख रहा हूँ. मैं झरने से पानी पी रहा हूँ, राघव को बोल रहा हूँ राघव देख ऐसे शॉट ले. ठीक है. मैं झरने से पानी पी रहा हूँ, राघव ऐसे शॉट ले रहा है. मैं ट्राइपॉड उठा चल रहा हूँ, राघव ऐसे शॉट ले रहा है. मैं चल रहा हूँ, राघव ऐसे शॉट ले रहा है. फिर वापस घर आके हम कंपाइल कर रहे हैं, पीछे म्यूजिक लगा रहे हैं चेन स्मोकर्स का एकदम पूरा गाना फुल बीट के साथ. ठीक है. बढ़िया एकदम फुल मोमेंट बना के भाई. और टाइटल क्या दे रहे हैं वीडियो को? शिमला चैल फागू. ब्रो
ये तो
उधर से शुरू हुआ भाई. और उस समय भी दिल में ये था भाई कि ये फिल्म ऑस्कर जीतेगी भाई. उस समय ये बन रही थी हमारे. एंड दैट वाज व्हाट रियली गॉट मी इनटू कि भाई नहीं चलो इस चीज़ को सीखना है भाई. मज़े आए भाई पूरे ट्रिप में. हर बार जब ये होता था हम लोग अपने ट्रिप में जाते थे, अपना ये होता था कि कुछ नहीं भाई ठीक है, वो अपना लगा हुआ है, वो अपना मोबाइल में गेम खेल रहा है, मैं अपना टीवी देखता था. नथिंग स्पेसिफिक. बट दिस टाइम वी हैड समथिंग टू डू, something that really kept us very energized throughout the trip. We used to be people who used to wake up at 12 in the morning, but इस बार हमें सनसेट भी देखना है, सनराइज भी देखना है, होटल का पूरा टूर भी लेना है. तो ये हो गया था भाई. एंड that really filled us up with a lot of energy. And I used to be like बॉस ये एनर्जी चेस करनी है भाई मेरे को ज़िंदगी में. एड्रेनलिन रश जो मिल रहा है ना वो चेस करना है. which आयुष भाई that now that I talk of it, now is when I'm discovering it as well. Everything that I've done in my life, it's because I've chased that adrenaline rush. Be it the speeches that I've given on the stage, be it every bit of what I do today, the impulsive decisions, the most impulsive decision which I took of shifting to Bombay altogether. All of these I've taken because जिंदगी थोड़ी still हो गई थी और kick चाहिए था एक. तो चलो भाई, dip a little further and then राइज फ्रॉम द बटन एकदम ये था भाई. That was where my creation started from. Class 10th and 11th.
Crazy. I think we share a lot of inspirations. I was always inspired by that group. Started. मैं गया था तीर्थन वैली पे जब मैंने पहली वीडियो शूट करी थी 2017 में. डेट्स नहीं याद मुझे बट मई 2017 महीना याद है. That's when I started. But I'll tell you what. It's what you said now about that getting that boost. It's very exciting to me because even I look for stimulation.
Absolutely, bro.
If somebody doesn't stimulate me, it irritates me. कि चल क्या रहे हैं, मतलब कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है.
True.
You know, like I feel numb that I'm not able to feel something, that rush. And I made this decision 2 years ago कि चलो घुस जाते हैं entrepreneurship में. अब ज़्यादा ही फील हो रहा है तो अब लग रहा है एक सेकंड भाई ज़्यादा तेज राइड होगी तो धीरे हो सकती थी.
But like, bro,
ठीक है,
I have major respect for you, Ayush bhai. No kidding. For the
Sir.
kind of identity that you've given your brand and your work, you know, coming from a fellow creator myself, I know how tough it is to, you know, curate to that balance between your, you know, your business self and the creator self that you really want to put out. So man, major respect to you, मेरा भाई. Major respect. Seriously, दिल से bro.
Thanks man. Thank you so much. थोड़ा लाइट करते हैं. काफ़ी ज़्यादा हम खुश गए, मुझे लग रहा है ज़्यादा सीरियस हो गया. कैंसिल कल्चर का क्या सीन है यार, ये मुझे डर लगता है कभी कभी कि मैं कुछ कमेंट करूँगा और दुनिया आएगी और कहेगी ये इसको कैंसिल कर दो. क्विक
Yes.
रैपिड फायर, ऐसा थोड़ा करण जौहर टाइप
Let's
फील्स है.
go.
दिस इज मी ट्राइंग टू फुलफिल माई बॉलीवुड फैंटेसीज.
क्या बात.
लाइफ कैसे चेंज होती है टैंजिबली स्पीकिंग, नॉट इन अ वे ऑफ कि आई गेट मैसेजेस बट टैंजिबली अंदर से कुछ फ़र्क आता है.
I'd be lying if I said no, bhai. Although I want to say.
Content creation I see great, storytelling see great. I think you have bigger plans than this. I don't agree that YouTube channel is your goal. It is a medium to express, but what's beyond this? And whatever's beyond this, content creation उसका कितना हिस्सा है. But my other friends have not really been happy with the way I've been, you know, giving them time. महीने में एक बार बात कर रहा हूँ.
अरे भाई यार ये तो क्या दिल की बात बोल दी है भाई.